Okay, now we're going to go to the mirrors. Same thing with mirrors. For a mirror, how should I draw it? Converging first. The symbol filled in. Okay, keeping everything the same. 10, 10, and my object is now at 5. This is going to be fun. So I should draw my little tilde symbol to remind myself that the rays are all coming from here. This is a converging mirror, positive. So I'm going to have to use the same focal point, this one, for everything. Because it converges. Light is supposed to converge. So let's do my parallel first. So parallel coming in this way will not go forward, but in fact converge in. That's my P. That's my P. This is now a mirror. So my chief ray will do this. Kind of like here. So this is going to go that way out. And my focal ray will use the same focal point 1. It has to go through 1 and hit the top. And since this is a mirror, it actually won't go there. So it'll go something like this. And then it has to become parallel, going out that way. So coming in this way, going out that way. Where do all 3 meet? In the, right here. So this also is a virtual object that gives me a real image. Woohoo. And the last one is going to be a divergent. Do you guys want to try this one? Following the same recipe. It's diverging. So focal length will be negative. And the rays need to go away. The parallel ray will come in parallel to this. By how much will it diverge depends on this focal length. Should diverge away like that. Yeah. So P comes in and P goes away. And then the chief ray has to hit this point and that point. So this would be kind of like this, but it doesn't actually get there. Right? So then the other side, it will be of course, these are not drawn to scale. We should do it better. And then the focal ray has to use the same focal number 2. Walking myself through it, it's number 2, because it's a mirror. It can only use one focal point. And the parallel ray told me which one. So if I do that, then that means the focal ray has to go through this point and that point. And then it becomes parallel to this. So then this will come in here. hit that and go away. And where do all three of these meet? Right here. Woohoo! And that's going to be my image. Again, this is a virtual object that gives you a real image. And how do we differentiate if you use a lens mirror equations? Your real objects will be positive. Here's a hint. Real is positive and virtual is negative. So in your lens mirror equation, remember that. And you can also figure out the magnification by using m equals the height of I over the height of object. Height of the image versus the height of the object. And the minus sign. Minus. Oh, I forgot the minus.